What is Iran's drone carrier? Iran has recently introduced a new concept in naval warfare, a drone carrier. Unlike traditional aircraft carriers, Iran's drone carrier is designed mainly to launch combat drones, surveillance UAVs, suicide drones, long-range strike drones. These drones are cheaper, smaller, and harder to detect. Iran's strategy is based on asymmetric warfare, meaning using smart and low-cost weapons against stronger enemies. 2. What is an American aircraft carrier? The United States operates the most powerful aircraft carriers in the world, like the Nimitz class and Gerald Ford class carriers. A U.S. aircraft carrier is basically a floating airbase. It can carry F-35 stealth fighter jets, F/A-18 Super Hornets, electronic warfare aircraft, helicopters and early warning planes. These carriers are protected by an entire strike group including destroyers, submarines, missile defense systems. 3. Role in war. Iran's strategy. If war breaks out, Iran's drone carrier would likely focus on swarm drone attacks, harassing U.S. ships, surprise strikes, targeting radar and missile systems. Iran would not fight head-to-head, but instead try to overwhelm defenses using large numbers of drones. 4. Role in war. America's strategy. The U.S. aircraft carrier would play the role of full air dominance, long-range missile strikes, fighter jet superiority, destroying enemy bases and ships. American carriers are built for large-scale war operations and power projection. 5. Who would win? In a direct battle, the U.S. aircraft carrier has far more firepower, technology, and defense systems. However, Iran's drone warfare could create serious threats through mass drone swarms, cheap but deadly attacks, regional advantage near Iranian waters. So the outcome would depend on location, tactics, and support forces. Conclusion. Iran's drone carrier represents a new style of modern warfare, but America's aircraft carriers remain the kings of naval power. If such a conflict happens, it would be one of the most dangerous naval battles in history. What do you think? Who would have the upper hand? Comment below and subscribe for more defense analysis videos.